Everyone calls Vietnam the new world's factory. Apple is here, Lego is here, even your competitor might be here. But wait, is it really that easy? Here is the truth. Vietnam is not China 2.0. The infrastructure is different. The culture is different. And if you approach sourcing in Vietnam like you do on Alibaba, you might lose your shirt. I'm going to show you the exact roadmap to find reliable Vietnam suppliers, avoid common scams, and most importantly, how to calculate your real profit margins. Welcome to Trade with Viet. Let's dive in. First, Geography 101. Vietnam is long, like really long. Choosing the wrong location can kill your logistics costs. The north, near Hanoi and the Chinese border, is the kingdom of electronics and heavy industry. This is where the big tech giants play, because the supply chain connects easily with Shenzhen. The south, around Ho Chi Minh City, is different. This is the powerhouse for furniture, textiles, and packaging. If you are sourcing wooden chairs or apparel, come down here. Why does this matter? Because moving goods from a northern factory to a southern port adds hundreds of dollars to your unit cost. Rule number 1, map your supplier before you map your profit. Now, step 2, finding them. You probably opened Alibaba first, right? Here is a pro tip. Alibaba is great, but many top-tier Vietnam manufacturers aren't even on it. Why? Because they're too busy manufacturing for IKEA or Nike to manage a B2B profile. Often, what you find online are trading companies, not actual factories. To get the best price, you need to go offline. Trade shows like FIFA for furniture or Saigon Tex for fabric are gold mines. Or you work with a local sourcing agent like us who already has a vetted network. Remember, a trading company adds 15 to 20% to your costs. Finding the direct source is the game changer. Step 3, vetting. This is the scary part. Scams happen. The most common one? The coffee shop office. A middleman sets up a nice website, takes your deposit, and disappears. How do you stop this? Demand to see their business license? Check the business line code? Does it say manufacturing or just wholesale? Better yet, do a factory audit. Or let us do it. We visit the site, check the machines, and verify they actually own the production line. Trust, but verify. Step 4, the money. Most beginners look at the factory price and think, wow, cheap. That's the iceberg mistake. You need to calculate the landed cost. In Vietnam, the difference between EXW ex-works and FOB free on board is crucial. Local charges, trucking fees to the port, and specific export licenses can eat your margin alive. We build detailed financial models for our clients so you know your exact profit before you spend a dime. Finally, step 5, management. Sourcing isn't just buying, it's managing chaos. Samples, QC reports, shipping docs, living in WhatsApp and Excel is a nightmare. That's why at Trade with Viet, we ditch the spreadsheets. We give you a dedicated digital workspace. You see what we see: real-time updates, transparent timelines, and all your documents in one secure hub. It's sourcing on autopilot. Vietnam is full of opportunities in 2026, but you need a guide who knows the terrain. If you are ready to diversify your supply chain, click the link in the description to book a free consultation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on manufacturing in Vietnam. I'll see you in the next video.